You cannot develop a growth mindset without mental flexibility, tolerance to failure, and the ability to influence people. Challenges are part of business life. Business' main reason for existence is to solve problems. And companies are just a collection of people that align themselves behind specific purpose to serve people in their community and beyond. Serving people require mental flexibility to solve problems that people cannot solve themselves. People's challenges are what make most businesses relevant to their customers. Finding solutions require perseverance and the willingness to explore new ways. The greater your mental flexibility, adaptability, and creativity, the more innovative you become, the more visionary you get, the higher the velocity of your mental transformation and growth mindset. So how do you develop a flexible mindset? The process has 4 components. First, accept the fact that you are in a quest to achieve lasting growth. You will make mistakes. You will learn and develop. Your failures will not define you. Use them to motivate you to create a better future. Number 2, set big goals, knowing that there is more than one way to get to your destination. You might have to change strategy and tactics along the way to get to your goals. The higher the complexity, the more flexibility and creativity you will need to find alternative solutions. Number 3, don't always take the easy way because you wouldn't know what to do when facing significant challenges. More exposure to challenges or challenging situations prepare you to handle tough situations. Approach challenges from different angles to familiarize yourself with different perspectives and solutions. From the habit of stepping out of the problem to have a better outlook. As the saying states, you can't see the forest for the trees. A higher multifaceted 360 degrees view can lead to a better frame of mind and better solutions. Number 4, learn to juggle simultaneously multiple competing demands. Business leaders balance well customer pressure, market challenges, changes, and organization objectives without losing their calm and composure. As a leader, you must focus intensely on critical projects without neglecting your day-to-day responsibilities. You are also required to handle multiple tasks without losing focus and intentionality. Sometimes you will be leading new initiative. Other times you will need to step back and allow your team members into the driver's seat. Flexibility is a state of mind that has nothing to do with your job title or role, but has everything to do with how you think and see yourself. Do this. Start a personal project to upgrade your current skills, or get involved in a company project to learn new skills and improve your mental flexibility. Your challenge is to complete your assignment without losing your identity, while positively changing some aspect of your thinking while altering your work environment. In the process of adjustment and transformation, you will experience conflict. Some of your principles might get in your way to accept new changes. Your ability to grow requires adopting a flexible mindset that controls your tendencies, preferences, and default setting, as well as disciplines. You can be flexible and transformative without changing your core principle. Like all projects, you will experience failures and lost efforts. A flexible mindset will improve your potency and problem-solving skills, no matter the challenges you face.